Working hard, 9 to 5, 2 jobs to survive. She's my supermodel.
Sometimes life gets in the way and you kind of like let things go in your house. What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole. I am a mom, I'm a DIYer, I'm an artist. My channel is all about sharing home and lifestyle hacks and DIY projects with you. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because sometimes you may not be notified, but I try to post at least weekly or, more than that. So 1 to 3 times a week is my goal. In today's video, I have been, over the last few days, trying to get my closet together. So if you're like me, if you're a busy mom or a working girl, sometimes life gets in the way and you kind of like let things go in your house. And I want to share with you guys on my channel, like, ways to get around that, ways to kind of like stay on top of things. And my closet has been one thing that has gotten away from me. I will show you guys a before of the closet. Right now behind me, it's organized, it's clean, but I want to show you how I got to this point. Hopefully it's cleaning motivation for you. Things were everywhere, and then when it's time to like pick out an outfit, life is stressful, and then it just gets worse. Things tossed all over the place, things not having a home. It's frustrating. So I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you get your closet organized, give you some motivation, give you some tips, and show you how I did my closet. Now I feel like it's functional. My outfits are ready to go. I can see everything. That's the key. I feel like, to see everything, especially the things that you wear, and just to declutter. Like, I got rid of so many things, but you'll see. I'm going to stop rapping. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this closet makeover.
Okay, so here is what I started with. This is just a clip, but the top, everything's just unorganized. The hangers weren't so bad, the things on the hangers, but here's the floor. Like, you can't even see the floor before I started this project. Some things may look organized, but overall, I just felt like I needed a change. If you're watching this video, most likely you're frustrated with your closet too. And you look at the drawers. Like, I had so many things stuffed in the drawers that I can't even pull them open. Stuff ended up getting trapped behind the drawers. So fortunately for me, I actually had a closet that had built-in organization already. It's just that I kind of let things go. And I kind of let things just get out of whack. So this video is motivation to help you clean, declutter. Just use what you have, especially if you're on a budget like me and you don't want to invest in a full closet organization. You can definitely use bins and different types of, they have cute organization, things out there, especially like Amazon, Home Goods, things like that, where you can just use affordable things to get your closet organized. But step one, no matter what your closet situation is, just get rid of everything. Clean everything out. Start with a fresh slate. I feel like that's key. That's important. So what I'm doing here is just like getting everything out of the closet. I feel like getting everything out of the closet made me feel like, okay, I just moved in, or I have a brand new closet once I cleaned everything out. So declutter and clean. Disclaimer, this process took me quite a few days. I got stressed out. I removed everything from the closet and then put it on my bed, on the floor in my room. So my room was a mess. My room is still slightly a mess, but I'm in the process of donating things. So I have a bunch of trash bags so I can donate anything that I'm not, I haven't used, haven't worn. This is what I ended up with. So I cleaned the closet, vacuumed out, wiped everything down. Now I can see clearly how much space I have, what I'm working with. Like I said, I had closet organization that already came with the house. So I have all these shelves. I was thinking about painting where like there's like chipping or whatever, but I'm like, no, I'll do that either before I move or sell the house or rent, things like that. I don't really need that to be painted now, but it has all of these organization components. I think this might be for ties. Comment in the comment below if you know what that's for, but it has drawers, both like a lot of shelving, and then they have this thing right here that I have like hung my belts and hats and stuff on. So, and it slides out too. So I guess like when you're looking for something, you can pull it out. So super cool. I know IKEA has things like this. This right here, you can pull it out too. So I feel like what I've used it for in the past is to like lay my outfit out for the day. But it has like hooks on the side, just a lot of things that you can incorporate into your closet too if you don't have already. It's simple to just get some of those like command strips to get different things to hang on your walls. But like I said, I already had it. And then these shelves, like they can pull out, so you can adjust the height of each drawer. So it's super cool. But this is what I ended up with moving forward. So I folded everything. If you haven't seen my folding tips and hacks video, definitely check that out. I'll link it above. But that's what helped me save space when it came to folding things and hanging things. I tried to color coordinate. I tried to put, same like items together. Obviously, all my black shoes in one spot at the top. You can kind of see the color coordination. I really love what I did with folding the jeans. I threw a trash can in a bin that I already had from Home Goods in here because I usually throw tags like everywhere. So that's why I put the trash can in there. My sunglasses organizer, check out that video. But I just feel like everything is more clear, clean, and decluttered. These are some extra hangers I put on the hooks right now just to kind of like, if I want to hang something that I plan on wearing the next day, just thinking about prepping and like how I need my closet to function. So definitely do that. And I still have shelves that are empty, so I still have some space to work with. But the main goal of this closet organization was to really get rid of things that I didn't need. I had so many clothes that just like, why do I have it? And I'm glad that I can see the floor now. Because at first it was just so many things just racked up on the floor and I don't know how I got there. So hopefully this video gives you some motivation to really get organized. I mean, we're halfway through the year before the holiday season comes in, before kids go back to school. Just try to get organized. It's hard. Like I said, I almost cried during this process because it took so long. Also, I wanted to note these clear things, these clear separators. I got them from Amazon. I'll link them below. But I think it was good. If I decide to put clothes right here, it's just good it's a good visual and a good separator to kind of like I did right here with the clothes, separating the darks and the light shirts. It's a good tool to keep them sitting up. If you saw my folding techniques, once you fold it neatly and, get things organized, I feel like they're good separators. The closet, thankfully, always also had this jewelry organizer. So I have to do a better job of like getting my jewelry sorted and like finding things. But I'm on the right track. I don't have many rings, so this little ring hole isn't really being put to use right now. Sorry, it's a bit out of focus. I told y'all, don't judge me. I won't judge y'all. I'm still trying to figure out this camera situation, but trying to provide y'all like with the best quality video footage as I continue to grow my YouTube channel. But for the drawers, so what I did was I folded everything. If y'all saw before, things were just all over the place. Like I didn't even know what was in the drawers. So here's a before and after right here. Things were just not organized at first. Shoes all thrown all over the shelves. Now they're like neat and I can see everything folded neatly, color coordinated, nothing on the floor besides shoes. But thanks y'all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you find something useful out of it, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video.